Ku lunaku olwokusatu lwa Ssabbiiti ewedde, enkuba yafudde mu bitundu by'eggwanga Uganda ebyenjawulo ekyaviirako amataba okwanjala ne gayingira mu nnyumba z'abantu, ng'ekyamataba abantu bakiteeka ku myalo egijjula ne gibooga. Kaakati olwaliro Ssaabaminisita w'eggwanga Nairobi Nabbanja Musafiri, kw'ossa Minisita omubeezi w'ebyenguudo Musa Echweru wamu n'abakulira ekitongole ekya Kampala Capital City Authority bakedde kulambula nguudo kw'ossa n'emyalo egikolebwa n'okulaba buki ekizibu ky'amataba bwe kigenda okunoggerwa eddagala.
As we train our people to be responsible, maybe, but we cannot allow to have more deaths here.
Bano batandikidde Kyebando Ring Road, Albert Cook Lubaga, ng'enalambudde emyala kw'ossa enguudo ezikuli mu kukolebwa nga n'ebimotoka biweetiye ebisangiddwa bikola. Ku luguudo lwa Ssentema ewasangibwa amasaŋŋanzira ga Kasubi Nabulagala wasangiddwa ng'ekitundu ku luguudo luno kyaggalwa okusobozesa omulimu gw'okukola okutambula bukwakku. Luno lwali lwakumalizibwa mu biseera eby'okuteekera olukuŋŋaana olwanna wabula nga n'ejje buli kati terunnaba kuggwa nga lino kitabudde Ssaabaminisita Nabbanja olw'aba Contractor okukola omulimu mu Kasoobo. Bw'avudde wano Nabbanja alambuziddwa omwala gw'ekinnawattaka mu Gombola e Nakawa awamu ku wafiira abantu mu nkuba eyafudde mba Ssabbiiti ewedde. Wano Nabbanja alagidde KCCA okufuba okulaba nga bagogola emyala buli lunaku era n'alagira abazimba okumpi n'omwala guno okugwamuka bunnambiro.
Tusaba bannakampala mwege engeri gye tusuula kasasi. Omwala guli tusanze gufembekedde era ndagidde KCCA ebakwaseemuko ku mukono gw'ekyuma abasuula kasasiro buli omusanze kubanga kyabulabe era abasuula kasasiro be batta abantu ekinnawattaka.
Oluvannyuma Nabbanja atadde ku nninga Contractor wa KCCA okunyola ekiviiriddeko aba China Royal 18th Grove nga bano be baweebwa Contract ey'okukola omulimu guno wabula nga gutambula Kasoobo.
China Royal 18 akola Kasoobo. Enguudo za industria baziwa $2.3 talina kyamaanyi kyakozeeyo. Oluguudo lw'Esalaama nalwo baluwa $2.3 talina kyamaanyi kyakozeeyo ate taddaabiriza. Mu
kwewozaako Henry Busolo okuva mu China Royal 18th Group annyonnyodde bwe balina okusooka okusengula payipu ez'amazzi kw'ossa kamera eza poliisi ez'oku nguudo kye bagambye nti kyazingamya omulimu guno.
And when we finish the drainage, then we can do the pavement layers. It's going to be 3 kilometers in June. And by October, we shall have the whole road tarmacked. By December, we are going to have the whole road with walkways, with lights, and the painting.
Ssaabaminisita bano abalabudde nga contract ezabaweebwa bwe zijja okusazibwamu singa tebakolera mu budde.
No, we are going to push them out. They should work at night. We don't even have time. Even on Sundays, have enough staff and have enough machine, employ enough machinery.
Ku myalo egizibikira olwa kasasiro Nankulu wa Kampala Sharifa Buzeki ategeezezza nga bwaliwo abantu abakwatiddwa olw'okuyiwa kasasiro myala.
Even on that very channel, 2 people who have been releasing human waste and industrial waste into the channels have been arrested.
Nabbanja era alagidde ab'ekitongole ekya KCCA okufuba okulaba nga abantu bonna abazimba okulira n'emyala baggyibwawo kisobose okugigaziya.
Bano bokka bagenda ku mwala bazimba ku mwala ne bagufunza kati amazzi bwe gava eri tegakkirira naye ng'ate era twagambye nti ne Minisitule ya Works ekolewo egaziye eteekeko box calabati amazzi gajje gagana.
Kakaki ekirindiriddwa kwe okulaba oba okulambula kwa Ssaabaminisita kunaavaamu ekiramu naddala okukendeeza amataba g'omu Kampala. Brian Kiberu yakusakidde eggulire lino ku lwa KSTV agaleero.
To collect everything as we train our people to be responsible, maybe, but we cannot allow to have more deaths here. We also need now to work on it, to construct it properly. Where is Peter?
Going forward, now that we are talking about training communities, but the waste is here and it needs to be removed. Going forward,
because if it rains again, it is already blocked.
Yes, Prime Minister, we do have a team. Right now it is working on the next point, the other side, which had closed already. So after that, we will come here and clear it.
Just today?
This came in this morning. This
this came this morning.
Yes.
But all the same, the place is disputed. If you are saying This is about 2 meters deep. But it's already blocked.
It's above the culvert.
It's already blocked.
Yeah.
Why do you wait for it to block?
Prime Minister, the culvert is already submerged. It is below levels. These are old culverts installed a long time ago.
It's a caravat.
Yeah.
Which means we need to put the box caravat, like the other one we saw. Which road was it?
It's about level. That's why you see when the water comes. But right now, I think after
That show. You think we came there to joke around? Has the contractor done forward maintenance? What is your role in this? If you think you are not present to communicate, don't. Otherwise, you are making our government. For me, I'm not a joker. You will joke with other people.
I'm personally very disgusted with what I saw. Engineer, remember, immediately we crossed Entebbe Road. I asked the engineer, I thought we are in Salama Road. How come I'm still in a bad spot? He said, no, work has started from the other side. Work has started from the other. That's what you told me. I said, how come where we are, the spot is so bad already? When we're in Salama Road. Oh, no, they have started working from, even if they have started working from the other side, there is what they call forward maintenance. These people know, the moment you are handed a road, make sure that road is motorable. And that's the case all over. How come this is not the case here?
The specifics of the issues at hand. I'll start with the Sub-Lokagwa Road. The contractor we have for Sub-Lokagwa Road and Salama is the same contractor we have for the roads to industrial areas. In my experience, this contractor is overwhelmed. He was given, I think, more work than he was able to handle. But over the last couple of months, from the time when you came to support us, we have achieved quite some progress, significant. Relatively, though we don't want to be where we are.
People of Kampala are disgusted. The citizens of who are residing in Kampala and its periphery are disgusted. They think we are not doing enough. So when I had the opportunity to share with the Prime Minister, I told Prime Minister, I know for a fact that a lot is going on, but
Lot 4 was signed on the 21st of December 2023. We had 3 months of mobilization. That's up to March. That's when the startup meeting was conducted. We got a commencement order